Have you ever noticed that your dog follows one person everywhere in the house, while mostly ignoring everyone else? Maybe your dog sleeps next to one person every night, waits for them at the door, and gets unbelievably excited when they come home. But here is the surprising truth. Dogs do not randomly choose their favorite person. There are specific behaviors, emotions, and habits that make a dog bond deeply with someone. And once that bond is formed, it becomes incredibly strong. Today, we are going to reveal the real reasons dogs choose their favorite human and the signs that show you are that special person. Some of these signs are obvious, but a few are things most dog owners completely miss. Dogs are incredibly emotional and intelligent animals. Their loyalty and love are not just instincts, they are built through trust, safety, attention, and shared experiences. In this video, you will discover the real science and psychology behind how dogs pick their favorite person. And by the end, you will also understand what you can do to strengthen your bond with your dog. Let us start with the first and most powerful sign. Number 1. Your dog always seeks you when they feel unsafe. When dogs feel scared, stressed, or unsure about something, they naturally run to the person they trust the most. This reaction comes from a deep instinct that animals develop to survive in uncertain environments. In the wild, animals stay close to the member of the pack that appears calm, confident, and protective. Inside your home, your dog sees certain people as leaders, protectors, and emotional support. If there is a loud noise, thunderstorm, fireworks, or a stranger entering the house, watch your dog carefully. Dogs hear sounds much more intensely than humans, and unfamiliar noises can feel overwhelming to them. Sudden loud sounds or unusual situations can make them feel vulnerable and confused. In those moments, their first instinct is to move toward the person that gives them the strongest feeling of safety. Do they immediately move closer to you? Do they quietly walk toward you and stay near your legs? Some dogs gently press their body against their favorite person because physical contact helps calm their nervous system. Others may look up at you repeatedly as if they are checking your reaction to understand if the situation is safe. Do they sit beside you or hide behind you? Hiding behind your legs or positioning themselves slightly behind you is a natural protection response. This behavior means your dog sees you as a barrier between them and whatever feels threatening. This is not random behavior. Dogs carefully remember who comforts them during stressful moments and who reacts calmly when something unusual happens. Dogs look for protection from the person they feel safest with. Your calm voice, steady movements, and relaxed energy can instantly reduce their fear. Just like a child runs to a parent when they feel afraid, dogs form emotional attachments in a very similar way. When they experience fear, their mind quickly searches for the person who has made them feel secure in the past. If your dog consistently comes to you first in stressful moments, it is a powerful sign that you are their emotional anchor. This level of trust is one of the strongest indicators that you are your dog's favorite human. But the next sign is even more interesting because it happens every single day without people noticing. Number 2, your dog follows you around the house. Many dog owners joke that their dog is their little shadow, but this behavior actually reveals something much deeper about your relationship with your dog. Dogs naturally stay close to the person they feel most emotionally connected to. When a dog follows you from the living room to the kitchen and then to another room, they are not simply curious. They are choosing to stay close to the person that makes them feel happiest and most comfortable. Dogs are social animals that thrive on companionship. Being near their favorite person gives them a sense of belonging and security. Sometimes you may notice your dog lying down nearby while you work, sit, or relax. They may not always demand attention, yet they still choose to stay within your presence. This behavior shows that your dog finds peace and comfort simply being around you. Following behavior can also come from strong emotional bonding. Dogs learn routines and patterns of the person they love the most. They want to stay close because they enjoy sharing your daily activities, even if they are just watching. For your dog, your presence is reassuring and familiar, and this constant desire to stay near you is a strong sign that you are the center of their emotional world. But there is another moment that reveals even deeper trust. A moment when your dog feels completely vulnerable. Number 3. Your dog chooses to sleep near you. Sleep is one of the most vulnerable states for any animal. In nature, animals only sleep near those they trust completely because they need protection while resting. When a dog chooses to sleep near your bed, near your feet, or in the same room, it shows they feel safe with you. Your presence gives them confidence that nothing harmful will happen while they rest. Dogs are very aware of their surroundings, even while sleeping. They instinctively place themselves close to the person they believe will protect them. Some dogs even wait until their favorite person goes to bed before they settle down for the night. Others may move closer to your bed during the night without you noticing. This behavior shows deep emotional trust and comfort. Your dog believes that being near you allows them to relax fully. This level of comfort is something dogs rarely give to just anyone, which is why sleeping near you is one of the strongest signs of a deep bond. But there is another sign that reveals something fascinating about communication between dogs and humans. Number 4. Your dog responds to your voice more than anyone else. Dogs are extremely sensitive to human voices. They can recognize tone, emotion, and intention even when they do not understand the exact words. If your dog reacts quickly when you call their name or speak to them, it means they have formed a strong connection with your voice. Your voice has become a signal of comfort, guidance, and positive experiences. When someone regularly talks, kindly plays with them, trains them, and interacts with them, the dog begins associating that voice with happiness. Over time, your dog becomes more attentive to your voice than anyone else in the house. Even if several people call your dog at the same time, they may instinctively respond to you first. Your tone, energy, and emotional signals become familiar and meaningful to them. Dogs also remember how someone speaks during moments of stress or excitement. A calm, reassuring voice builds trust and strengthens the bond between you and your dog. This is why dogs often look directly at their favorite person when they hear them speak. But communication is not only about sound. Dogs also read human behavior and body language very carefully. Number 5. Your dog watches you constantly. Dogs are experts at observing human behavior. They study movements, facial expressions, and body language to understand what is happening around them. If you often notice your dog quietly watching you, it is a strong sign of attachment and curiosity. Dogs pay the most attention to the person they trust the most. They want to understand your actions, your emotions, and what you might do next. This observation helps them feel more connected to you. Gentle eye contact between dogs and humans also releases a powerful bonding hormone called oxytocin. This is the same chemical that strengthens the connection between parents and children. When your dog looks at you with relaxed eyes and a calm expression, it is not just watching, it is bonding. These small moments of eye contact slowly strengthen emotional attachment over time. But there is another behavior that shows your dog values your interaction even more. But the final sign is perhaps the most obvious and emotional one of all. Number 6. Your dog gets extremely excited when you return home. When dogs feel deeply attached to someone, they react with intense excitement when that person returns home. This reaction is not just happiness, it is an emotional release. Dogs can feel loneliness or boredom when their favorite person is away. So when they finally see you again, their excitement becomes overwhelming. Tail wagging, jumping, spinning, and running around the house are common signs of genuine joy. Your dog may even bring toys, bark happily, or follow you everywhere for several minutes after you arrive. This reaction happens because your presence triggers the release of bonding hormones that create feelings of happiness and comfort. If your dog reacts to your return with more excitement than anyone else in the home, there is a strong chance that you are the person they love and trust the most. And this joyful welcome is their way of expressing how important you are in their world. Now we want to hear from you. Does your dog follow you everywhere or sleep near your bed? Tell us in the comments which of these signs your dog shows the most. And if you love learning about dog behavior, make sure to subscribe for more videos that reveal the secret language of dogs. Your dog might be trying to tell you something important right now, and you just have not noticed it yet.